practice set 1.1 which is based on previous video. Let us begin with practice set 1.1. Question number 1. Write the following sets in roster form. First one, set of even numbers. To show the set, we are using here capital letter A, equal sign, curly bracket. As you knew, even number starts from 2. Hence, we written here 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Curly bracket close. Elements we separated here by commas. Next one, set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. There is only one even prime number, that is 2. Hence, to show the set, we use here capital letter B, equal sign, curly bracket. In that, mention the element 2, bracket close. Next one, set of negative integers. To show the set, we use here capital letter C. Here they mention negative integers which are starts from -1, -2, -3 and so on. Curly bracket closed. Fourth one, 7 basic sounds of a sargam. Sur. All you knew that there are 7 sur. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. To show this set, we use here capital letter D and mention that 7 sur and close the curly bracket. Question number 2. Write the following symbolic statement in words. First one, the sign which looks like E, meaning of that is belong to. Hence, this statement we can write in this way. 4 upon 3 belong to the set Q. This is the first method. Or you can write by using second method in this way. 4 upon 3 is an element of the set Q. Students, you can use any one method to write the answer. Second one, P, capital P is equal to curly bracket, small p, vertical line, that means such that small p is an odd number. That means in this set, the elements are odd numbers. So, how to write this? See, P, capital P is the set of all small p, that means elements such that small p is an odd number. Question number 3. Write 2 sets by listing method and by rule method. That means you have to write down any 2 examples by using listing method and by rule method. So, first example, set of perfect square numbers from 1 to 5. This example, by roster method, we can write in this way. Capital A is equal to curly bracket, mention the perfect square numbers. That means squares of 1 to 5. That are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Bracket closed. Now we have to write down same example by set builder form. That means by rule method. So first, what you observe from this? These are the square numbers. 1 to 5, that means these are natural numbers. and 1 to 5. We have taken only square numbers 1 to 5. That means less than 6. Okay. So now see how to write this. Same letter we are using to show the set. That is why capital A, equal sign, curly bracket open, elements. To show the elements we are using here small x, such that कैसे है वो x is equal to n square. n square means these are the perfect square numbers. Then n, small n belongs to capital N, means these elements are belongs to natural number and n is less than 6. Understand how to write the rule method? If you do the proper practice, you will come to know. Next, second example, set of even numbers from 1 to 12. First, we'll see by roster form. So, to show the set, we use here capital letter B, equal sign, curly bracket. We have to mention the even numbers from 1 to 12. Hence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Curly bracket close. Now same example by set builder form. Capital B is equal to curly bracket. Now to show the element you can use small x or any letter from A to Z. Okay, but here we use small y, such that y is equal to 2n. 2n means these are the numbers which are the multiple of 2. That hence we use here 2n. As well as these are the natural numbers, hence n belongs to capital N. Here the number which mention, that are the numbers coming in the table 2 till 2 6 are 12. Hence how it is, n is less than and equal 6. Question 4. Write the following sets using the listing method. First one, all months in the Indian solar year. Listing method means roster form. Okay. So to show the set, letter capital A we use here, curly bracket open. Indian solar year means Marathi months, which are Chaitra, Vaishak, Jeshta, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashish, Paush, Magh, Falgun. Understood? You have to mention all 12 months which are coming in the Indian solar year. Second one, letters in the word complement. So to show the letter, to show the set, we use here capital B, equal sign, letter mention from the word. So C O M P L E T. Don't write the letter which comes twice, because we have already learned how to write the rule method. In that already mentioned, we have to write down elements only once. Next one, set of human sensory organs. So capital A, answer for this. To showing this set, we are using here capital C is equal to, as you knew, we have 5 sensory organs: ear, nose, eye, tongue, skin. Curly bracket close. Next one, set of even prime numbers from 1 to 20. To show the set, we use letter here capital D is equal to curly bracket open. Mention the prime numbers from 1 to 20, which are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Close the curly bracket. Next one, names of continents of the world. There are 7 continents. To show the set, we use capital E is equal to curly bracket open. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica, Australia. Curly bracket closed. Question number 5. Write the following sets using rule method. Now we have to write down the following example by rule method, that means set builder form. First one, A is equal to curly bracket 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. Curly bracket close. Students, observe this example carefully. What you observe? All these are perfect square numbers. Okay, this is the first thing. Second, number starts from 1 to 10. That means these are the perfect square numbers from 1 to 10. That means these are natural numbers. Okay. So, how to write this by rule method? See, capital A, which show the set, is equal to curly bracket. Elements we are showing by small x, such that x is equal to square numbers. Hence we use small n square. Comma. कैसे हैं ये numbers कैसे हैं? Belongs to natural number. Hence capital small n belongs to capital N. Comma n less than and equal to 10. मतलब हम लोगों ने जो यहाँ पे जो नंबर मेंशन किए हैं वो कहाँ तक है? 10 तक. Hence less than and equal to 10. Second one, B is equal to curly bracket 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. Observe the example. You can come to know that these are the numbers which are coming in the table 6. That means these are the multiples of 6. Hence, to show this method, to show this example by this method, use capital B equal sign curly bracket. Elements we are showing by small y, such that y is equal to multiples of 6. Hence 6n. Belongs to natural number, hence small n belongs to capital N. And here they mention the elements till 6 8s are. Hence n is less than and equal to 8. Curly bracket closed. Next one, C equal sign letters SMILE. That means these are the letters from the word smile. So how to write? C is equal to curly bracket small x, that means element, such that x is a letter of the word smile. Bracket close. Fourth one, D. Set D equal to curly bracket Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What you observe from this set? These are the days of a week. Hence, how to write? Capital D is equal to curly bracket small x such that x is a day of a week. Now you understand, students, how to write by rule method. Last example. Set x equal sign curly bracket small a small e small t. Now student, these are the letters from one word. Can you imagine or can you recognize which word it is? These are the letters coming in two words. Either you can use any one word. Okay. So these are the letters from T, word T or word it. So I am using only one word here. So hence I return capital X is equal to curly bracket Y such that Y is a letter of the word it. Or you can use T, curly bracket close. Hope you understand how to write down the examples by using listing method or rule method. This session got over. Thank you.